Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm just gonna skip over where the fuck I've been for the past couple years. Check out my Instagram, you'll find out. But this is today's look. I've been seeing lots of takes on creative liner recently, especially on Instagram, and it is such a big fall and winter trend that I really wanted to try something a little bit fun today, a little bit creative, but that's easy. It's just a couple steps. If you got a couple Q-tips, you got a couple precise brushes, you're good to go. It's really not that difficult, and I kind of want to take away the intimidation of some of these more creative, intricate cat eyes to show you you can do it, anyone can do it. Let's get to it. Boom. So right off the bat, I'm starting with my favorite BECCA Cosmetics First Light Priming Filter. Gives the skin a really nice glow. And then into another one of my favorites. This is the Danessa Myricks Vision Cover Cream. And I am blending this in with a damp blender from Colourpop. And this has the most beautiful dewy finish to the skin. Ugh, keeps skin looking like skin, but it's very full coverage, so blend that sucker out. Going in with a little bit of a coconut lip mask for my lips. And then setting my eyes with this RCMA No Color Setting Powder, just so no creasing occurs. After that, going into my LORAC Mini Pro palette in Simmering, and I'm using that main color on the upper row. It's that kind of tan color. And I'm mixing it in with that warm brown tone as well, and just blending this into my crease, onto the lid, and even up to my brow a bit, just blending it away, leaving a soft tan color. Now onto the brows, using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer in soft brown, making sure to comb those suckers away at the end for more of a fluffy feel. Back into that LORAC mini palette, I'm using those same two brown tones, those very warm browns. And again, we're just creating a very diminished line underneath our lower lashes, connecting to the out. Going in with Birodo Green from Shiseido. It's a cream eye color. And I'm using my Smith Cosmetics 203 brush. It looks like this. It's very small, defined flat brush, to create a cat eye that is there when I open my eye. It doesn't disappear. So I really like to start off by drawing two triangles, then lining my upper lashes, then connecting, and guessed it, filling it in. Slowly but surely creating a beautiful forest green cat eye. Ooh. Now on to our lower lashes, using that same Shiseido cream green. I'm lining right next to my lower lashes, smudging it out, and then going back in with the cream color to darken up the lower lash line, and also make sure we have enough pigmentation that we can drag outwards along the cat eye that we just created. So now I'm taking my Smith Cosmetics brush in, what is it, in 304, and this is such a wonderful tight little brush as well, perfect for creating little straight lines, and you have a lot of control. So again, just smudging that green out and following the path that we created of the upper cat eye. Going in with some Demure Light lashes from House of Lashes. I'm gonna pop this sucker on so you can see the difference. Boom. Yes, light fluffy lashes. Love. Now let's finish off this eye look, shall we? Where I'm going in with Chrome Wrecker Flypencil from Fenty Beauty. And with that Smith Cosmetics brush that we used the first time, that 203, just creating a thin white line right in the middle of those two green lines that we created. This is just going to help it pop even more and help them separate even more. Going in with a little bit of mascara, L'Oreal Telescopic, my fave. And now using Shockham Powerchrome eyeshadow from NARS. Oh my god, is this a new favorite of mine and for my kit.
I love these shadows. And this is in the color Shock 'em again. And I'm just using my finger to press in this loose powder, really making sure it sticks for the day. Ooh, yes. Now let's finish off this face. I'm using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Concealer in 200, going right back into that blender from earlier that I used for my foundation. And I'm doing the concealer after the eye today, so you can see you can clean up the edges. If you have any fallout or you just want those lines or shadows to look a bit sharper, just go right along the edge. Then taking whatever I had left of that concealer from my beauty blender and putting it down the center of my face and underneath the cheekbones. Using the new Kosas Light Bronzer, I'm just popping this in to lightly contour and bronze my face. Underneath the cheekbones, blending upwards, and then on the temples of my face as well, just helping those shadows kind of elongate even further. Underneath my chin and jawline. And when I do that, I always like taking the excess of bronzer that is on the brush and just dragging it down my neck as well. Blending all those colors together. For a little bit of a sun-kissed look on my nose, I'm going down the sides and then right on the center as well. Boom. Let's add some powder now. Let's set this sucker. Back to that RCMA No Color Setting Powder. And just patting this on using this highlighter brush from the Milk Makeup X Sephora collection that they had. But I love using this for face powders. I love the shape, I love the density. Helps pack it on there. A little bit under the cheekbones. Yes. Now using a new blush. This is called a Blighlighter. It's from Jamie Makeup. This is in the color the cherry one. It is a cream blush highlighter duo. I absolutely love this. It leaves, again, such a wonderful shade and look on the skin. It's light. It has a flush of color to it. It has this little bit of gleam and dewiness. Oh, I love the way it looks. And now, finishing off for some glow, I'm using HueGlow from LiveTinted. This is in the shade Dawn. It is a rose gold color. And I'm plopping this on the highest parts of my cheekbones. And then I'm going to make a little C around my eyebrow. So popping this a little bit on the temple as well and then connecting. You'll see this highlighter leaves just the most like sensuous dewy glow to your skin. I love it. I'm gonna cover a model in it. I can't wait. Blending that in a little bit with the same brush that I use for the blush to leave our skin looking ooh, oh so nice, oh so glowy, oh so fresh. Now, just for fun, I decided to go in with Colourpop. This is their Freckle pen in soft brown. I'm just dotting where I have tiny little freckles on my nose that really aren't very, I don't know, out there for everyone to see. So I thought I would just go lightly over them and then pat in those freckles so it's not too much of a dot look. And it was fun. You don't need to do this for the look, but if you want to play around, go ahead. Create a little bit of fake freckles, why not? Finishing off the eyes with Fire Crystal. This is a Killawatt from Fenty Beauty, and I'm just adding that right around our inner corner, following the V shape of my tear duct. Love this eye look. Perfect for the holidays. Perfect for whenever, actually. You wear this whenever. You're gleaming. You're beautiful. Now I'm taking Latex Fever lipstick in the shade Dusty Rose. This is from Linda Hallberg Beauty. It has a latex finish, so even when it's dry, it looks wet. It's amazing. Adding this as the lip color to finish off this look.
Okay guys, so this is the final look. Thank you so much for tuning in once again. I'm sorry that I've been away, but I feel like now is the perfect time to kind of come back to YouTube. We're in a crazy fucking year. Who knows what's gonna happen? So let's do some makeup, shall we? I'll see you next time. Peace and love.